Good morning everyone. Matin va ahula dunya. In this video we'll look at setting up an experiment on the Dandelion app for the school Grow Cube. So once you've logged on, let's get started from the app's dashboard. Here in the middle is a summary of activities already added. If you don't have anything here, you'll need to do that first, along with registering your node. Check out our other videos or refer to the online user guide. So we're going to choose one of these activities and assign an experiment to it. From the menu on the left-hand side, click Activities. You now have your full list. If I click here on Thigmo morphogenesis activity, you'll see an experiment I've already added. Great word for Scrabble. It means how a plant grows in response to touch. I want to run Thigmo morphogenesis experiments with an S1 class, so I'll click on that activity at the top. Click on the green button to create an experiment. From here you can create your own experiment, clicking the yellow button. To get schools started quickly, Dandelion is loading two predefined experiments. The written instructions for them are in the Cube Collection PDF. Thigmo morphogenesis is the first one. As more are added, they'll appear here, and you'll be able to look for them in the search box. We'll click on the predefined Thigmo morphogenesis experiment to add that one for now. You now have a summary of this predefined experiment with its dates, a description, tutorial text for the students, and the hypothesis that you'll be testing. Firstly, the null hypothesis that touching the leaves makes no difference to plant growth, and secondly, the alternative hypothesis that plant growth is positively correlated with a degree of touching. The treatment variables are the three amounts of tickling, so none for the control, gentle and moderate. And then the 6 plant species. When each is combined, you have 18 separate conditions. Then scroll down and you have the response variables. These are the changes we expect to observe in the plants. For example, leaf colour. This will be objective to an extent, but measured against 5 colours on the colour chart in the Cube Collection PDF. Vigour. Here we're looking for an ordinal value for how strongly the plant grows, from outright dead, hopefully not mochiach, through to very strong. Again, this can be quite subjective, so it's often best to have the same person, pair or group recording this observation. That way you eliminate bias. Lastly, height. This is simple numeric data for the height of the plants. Now click the yellow Use This Experiment button and you'll be taken to a summary page. If everything's okay here, just click Straight to Continue